Hi there, it's Sam Silversides, and I wanted to show you some tips for Vashisthasana, which is the first posture in the advanced series of the Ashtanga Vinyasa yoga system. So I'd like to show you a way that is not exactly the conventional way, but it's a nice way to come into it. It's also the way I like to come into Utthita Hasta Padangusthasana. So setting up, let's assume that you've made it back to downward facing dog or the sixth vinyasa, and now you're coming forward to set up for Vashisthasana. So from the downward facing dog, you would inhale forward, and then pay attention to this detail. As you roll, I'll do the second side to stay open for you. As you roll to the outer edge of the left foot, don't just turn the feet both to the side perfectly. Turn the left foot a little bit on an angle. You'll see why in a moment. Then stack the right foot on top. Now, right away, try to stand on the floor with your left foot. Take your right hand to the outside of your thigh and lift your hips up. Don't let them droop down. Lift your hips up so you can also stand on the floor with your left foot. Then you're going to catch, this is empty, the big toe. And as you inhale, extend the right leg up. This is a nice way to come into the pose. Gives you a little bit more stability. Gaze up to the big toe. After 5 rounds of the breath, release as you exhale. Inhale one more time. Take the hand down to the thigh. Keep your composure and go directly into the upward facing dog on the next breath in. And exhale. Back to downward facing dog. So Vashishtha was a very important rishi. He's one of the Sapta rishis, and this is a formidable posture. So be patient, take your time, and enjoy your process.